In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove collaborators from Asana projects. Whether you're streamlining a project or simply making adjustments to your team, knowing how to manage collaborator access in Asana is essential. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step, so let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific project from which you'd like to remove a collaborator. It's important to ensure you're in the correct project space before making any changes, so double-check that you're working within the intended project. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll notice either a Share button or a Members icon, depending on your version of Asana. Clicking this will show you a list of all the current collaborators associated with this project. Now, as you look through this list, find the person you wish to remove. It's a good idea to review this list carefully to avoid mistakenly removing the wrong person, as this action directly impacts their access to project information and updates. Next to each name, you'll see either a three-dot menu or a direct Remove option, typically shown as a little X. Click on this, and you'll see the option to remove them from the project. After you've selected to remove them, Asana will typically prompt you to confirm this action. The confirmation step is crucial because it prevents accidental changes, ensuring you have a moment to verify your decision. Once you confirm, the person will be removed from the collaborator list. After removal, the changes take effect immediately. The person will no longer receive notifications related to this project. If the project is private, or if they aren't part of the overarching team within Asana, they will lose access altogether. This means they won't be able to view any details, tasks, or updates associated with the project anymore. It's a respectful way to manage project dynamics and ensure that the right people have the right level of access at all times. Remember, maintaining a clear and organized collaborator list is vital for both security and project efficiency. So whether you're taking on new team members or reassigning tasks, having control over who sees what helps keep things running smoothly. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've successfully adjusted your team structure within Asana. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other content for more practical tips and guides on maximizing your productivity with Asana.